Well, for the first time, criminal charges have been filed against the engineer in 2015's fatal Amtrak crash in Philadelphia. Alex Dimitrick reports victims, not prosecutors, made the case to charge the engineer.
When the Amtrak train derailed in Philadelphia in 2015,
notify Amtrak to shut down the entire Northeast corridor.
8 passengers were killed, including 3 from Maryland. More than 200 others were injured. 3 years later, for survivors and families of those killed,
they're very pleased to see that the court is going to move forward and accept these criminal charges to hold this engineer accountable.
Attorney Keith Franz represents 8 of those injured in the crash who have been waiting for Amtrak engineer Brandon Bastian to face criminal prosecution for the accident. Last year, a judge dismissed involuntary manslaughter and reckless endangerment charges for lack of evidence. But now a new judge is reversing that decision and reinstating charges, totaling 8 counts of involuntary manslaughter and 246 for reckless endangerment.
This could not happen in a Maryland court where a state's attorney must file criminal charges.
This law in Pennsylvania is somewhat unique that allows victims to take their case into court directly to seek charges directly from a judge.
But charges against Bastian are not a conviction. The train's recorder found the train's equipment functioned properly and that Bastian was not using his cell phone at the time of the accident. But he was going twice as fast as the posted speed when he entered that curve outside Philadelphia.
And speed, simply put, is what we refer to as a human factor, a factor based on human behavior.
Determining the factors behind that behavior now sit at the center of a criminal trial. Alex Dimitrick, WJZ.
And Brandon Bastian is due to be formally arraigned on the charges February 21st. He is currently free on bail.